This is the 18-inch version of the sculpture called WorkHorse, which was created by me, Monte Michael Moore, the artist and designer. And the original was made out of clay, metal, wood, airbrush, and old watch parts. You can see there some of the watch gears and bezels and parts. So part of the sculpture was handcrafted. Other parts were found objects such as the bicycle chain for the main, old airbrush parts from leftover parts in my studio, springs and watch gears. And now this is the bronze, fine art bronze version, cast by Mad Castings here in Colorado, where I'm from. And doing just a quick video here to showcase the detail work in the casting, which is created through lost wax mold making process, and then finished by a number of different artisans at the Mad Castings foundry here in Colorado. And this piece measures 18 inches high in the fine art version of WorkHorse, and it's available in several different sizes as well. Thank you for looking.